Here's a really cool feature on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro phone. It's called Xiaomi Offline Communication. I'll show you where to go to find it and tell you more about it. To find this feature, use the quick access and go into the settings toggle right here. Once in the main settings, you're gonna go to mobile networks right here. Now in this area here, you're gonna go and look for Xiaomi Offline Communication. It's this one right here. Also keep in mind that I don't know if this is available on other Redmi Note phones, but this is the Note 15 Pro phone and it's there. I have a Note 13 Pro phone and this feature is not there. So once you're here, basically you can choose whether it's going to be contacts only or everyone can communicate with you. However, the thing with this feature is you must also have a Xiaomi phone. So whoever it is that's going to communicate with you offline must also have a Xiaomi phone. And I want to believe that it must be the phone must have this feature as well, okay? So you can keep it off, contacts only, and it's gonna do this here. If you have your SIM card there, it'll sync with your SIM card or anyone nearby, all right? Now, again, this is going to work with a Bluetooth connection, or I wanna believe it's a Wi-Fi connection somehow. But if you do have it and you tried it out, let me know in the comment section so others can know about this feature. Like and sub.